Hello Garage Squad, I'm Curtis Strasburg and I need your help. This wanted a picture of my shop. This is my shop. I do some welding and stuff like that. Working on a project here. Anyway, this is 30 by 32, and if you come and help me and you don't have enough room in here, I'll pull the cars out of the garage that's over on this side and we can expand into there. I just need you to come and help me. And then I want to show you my dream. I've had this pickup over here since I was about 15 years old. It hadn't run since my twins were little. And it's a 1968 International. I know a lot of people don't care anything about an International, but I worked for the neighbor when I was a kid and used to load the back end full of hay and go out and feed his cows. My dad needed to buy a pickup, and he said he'd sell this one, so we've had it ever since. It needs a little help on the inside, but a little polish and it'll be great. The sides are straight. I got the tailgate, the hood. There's a little bend in it here. When my brother worked for that farmer, he got close to a high line and driving a dump truck and didn't have the dump down and pulled the pole down and hit the bed. So that's my older brother's fault there. Anyway, that's the beauty I want to restore. And that way my wife and I can go see my kids. We want to, or all of our kids, pulling a camper someday. I just don't think that'd be anything cooler than that old International pulling a old camper. This is what I want to do. I bought this pickup because they've used these before, the chassis and powertrain underneath that body style Internationals. I haven't done it personally, but I know it can be done. I need people like you to help me. But this has got the Cummins turbo diesel in it, and I just need help. I'm gonna try it, but I'm afraid I won't get very far without your expertise.